Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Netflix household problem. So if you're facing a Netflix household problem such as issues with account sharing or location restrictions, you'll have to follow this guide to resolve your problem. So I will give you some points that you'll have to ensure. The first one is check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Scroll down from the top on your device. Now make sure that you have an active internet connection. You can also switch to Wi-Fi if your internet connection is not working properly. Now the second way is verifying your Netflix account. Log into your Netflix account and make sure you're using the correct login credentials. Double check your email and password. If prompted, verify your account through the email or phone number associated with your Netflix account. Now, the third step is updating your Netflix application. On your phone, open Play Store. Now, go to the search bar, type in Netflix and make sure there is an open button here, not update. If it says update instead of open, you'll have to simply click on that update button. Netflix will be updated and everything will be under check. Now the fifth step to solve this problem is setting up your primary location. Netflix may ask you to set a primary location for your account. This helps Netflix determine the household for your account. On your TV, go to Settings, Account and set primary location and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your primary location. Now, the sixth step is reconnecting to your primary Wi-Fi network. If Netflix detects that you are not connected to your primary Wi-Fi network, it may prompt you to verify your account. So make sure you are connected to your primary network on Wi-Fi. Now, the seventh step to solve this problem is contacting Netflix support. If you are still experiencing issues, reach out to Netflix customer support for assistance. They can provide a specific guidance based on your account and device. Now, the eighth step is to restart your device. Simply close the application, restart your device because simply restarting your device can resolve minor issues. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. So another way to solve this problem is clear cache and data. For your mobile device, open the Netflix application or just head over to your Netflix application. Now hold it down and click on the small eye icon. Or you can also navigate to the app info under settings. After navigating to this page, click on storage, click on clear cache. This will delete all the cache for your Netflix application. So after this is done, you'll have to simply go back and start your Netflix application and this will solve your problem. Now you can also try out logging out and logging back in and that can also help you resolve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell and I will see you in the next video.